Okay, hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the parallel connection of our lithium battery of BONJOUR SOLAR. And sometimes some of the engineer will be very confused about the communication and the parallel communication and the parallel connection of our lithium battery, because we can make a parallel connection of maximum 15 pieces. So today I'm give you a very detailed training of the parallel connection of the BONJOUR SOLAR lithium battery. First, for example, here we have 4 pieces of lithium battery of BONJOUR SOLAR power wall, and then we first step we need to connect all the positive and negative of the lithium battery. We call the power cable. Here, I recommend you to use the bus bars to parallel the power cable from each battery. Okay, from here we can see we use the red color bus bars for positive. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, 4 unit cables to connect the positive terminal of each battery. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces black color negative wire cables to connect each negative port of the lithium battery. So we use the bus bars. It's very good because each cable they are the same longs, and that means they have the same resistance. That means they can share the same current. This is very important for the balance, because sometimes some of the parallel connection they make like this, and you can see the longs of each battery of each cable are different. So that means they have a different resistance and different current sharing. So it makes some different balance. We cannot be balanced all together. So I recommend you to use the bus bars. And then you can see here, once we combine 1, 2, 3, 4 cables from battery, and then we have a bigger cable here to connect with the DC breaker. This is the DC breaker, DC air breaker for safety. And then this area, we can connect the inverter or some other device. So this is for the cable connection. Okay, and then now I'm going to show you how to make the parallel communication between each lithium battery. So we have communication cable in the wooden case of each lithium battery. So from the first one, we can connect the upper RS-485 from the first lithium battery, and then to the second battery, we connect the down RS-485 for the second battery, and then for the third, we can connect the upper of the second RS-485 to connect the down of the third RS-485, and then upper of the third, and then connect the down of the fourth. So we connect like this, and then after connection like this, we must to make the DIP, the IP address of for each 1, 2, 3, 4 lithium battery. So you can see this in our user guide. You can see this prompt to know how to set the DIP of each lithium battery. This will be very important. You must to make the setting like this. Like the first one is on, off, off, off. The second one is off, on, off, off, and then so on. So after all the installation, and then you turn on all the lithium battery. So now what should you do? You can double check if the communication are well making. So we can connect our we can connect our BMS Bluetooth. So because we have a 4 pieces lithium battery, so we can check the master, the first one, the master BMS. Master BMS, we can see here the cells number of the pack is 3 pieces in parallel. So if we connect the last one, this is for the 4 upper, and for the down, if we connect like this one, so now that means we already connect 4 pieces in parallel. So we try to connect again the Bluetooth and then double check if our communication of the parallel are well done. So double check the master. Okay, so now you can see the change number 4. So that means that we already make 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of the lithium battery in parallel. And then one more thing is that if we communicate with, for example, the inverter go watt, we must communicate the inverter with the master battery for the communication. I will show you the communication of between the inverter and the lithium battery of BONJOUR Solar later. But today, this training is to show you how to make the parallel connection of the lithium battery. Okay, should you have any question, you can contact us by our website www.bonjoursolar.com. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.